I'm Brian Horton. I've been working on the FlyBoss tools section of the FlyBoss website. The tools are intended to help with long-term decision making and planning in relation to fly strike control. They won't tell you how many sheep will get struck next week, but they can compare the risk of a fly strike at different times of the year and under different management conditions. If you tell the FlyBoss system where you are, then it will use the local weather pattern that is common in that area to assess the risk from time to time during the year, and it can take into account the effect of management practices like shearing and crutching, which can reduce the risk of strike while the wool's shorter, and also the effect of chemical control, which can keep the fly strike under control for several months after treatment. And so you can indicate in the program at what time you're shearing, crutching and any chemical treatment needed, and it will estimate the risk of strike under those conditions. You can then look at possible changes in the management that you might be considering, or use it to help plan your fly strike control over the course of the whole year. It will also allow you to look at the effect of stopping mulesing, so that if you're currently mulesing sheep, you can see the effect of not mulesing and then look at any other changes that you might need to make under those conditions. And if you're using chemical treatment, it can help to optimise the timing so that you apply the chemical treatment to cover the period when the fly strike risk is highest through the year. There are also other options to help you look at products. So if you're planning chemical treatment, there's a product section which will look at the products that are available for fly control, the names of those products, the active ingredients, withhold periods, and the approximate cost of those chemicals. And there's a separate section where you can indicate what treatment you're planning to use, and it will estimate the expected residue that you might have in your wool at shearing using that particular treatment. The aim of using the tools is for the purpose of long-term planning, and you can then combine that with the calendar that's available on the FlyBoss website, where you can enter the management that you're using and then set it out all clearly for different groups of sheep in order to plan your fly strike control for the whole year.